Hi dear Aries, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Aries, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you in the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. The third thing, this is a reading from 23rd till the 31st of January. So let's start. Okay, so your partner's current feelings for you right now are Aries. Ten of Cups, wow. This person is feeling like you are the one for them. You make them really happy. You make a family together, and they feel like you are their family. Basically, they feel like having a long-term, stable relationship with you and or a marriage with you. And if you guys are already committed or in a marriage, I can say this person wants growth. Feel like having growth and expansion with you. Okay, this is what this person is feeling for you. Let me clarify the Ten of Cups here. Beautiful energy of love, beautiful energy of family. Let me clarify. Two of Swords and the Ten of Wands and the Ace of Wands. Okay, I feel like this person feels like taking an action towards you right now. This person is feeling like they are on the crossroads from a very long time. Now they are clear about their feelings for you. They feel like not giving up on the situation with you. They feel like having a brand new chapter with you, to open a brand new chapter with you in this connection. Okay, you could be dealing with another fire sign here, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Okay, so this person is not ready to give up on this situation, on this connection, because they feel like you are their family, you are their happily ever after. They feel like having a brand new start with this connection. They feel like taking an action towards you. Let's see what you feel for them, Aries, your feelings for this person. I'm having bad cold, please. Three of Pentacles. Yeah, you feel like working on this connection with this particular person. You feel like making this connection work out anyhow. I have to clarify if this is a third party situation, or if you feel like making this a teamwork, or putting in effort, putting in energy from your side as well in this connection. I have to check that. But Three of Pentacles is telling me that you feel like having this connection, you feel like working on this connection with this particular person. It could be someone who is a colleague, or you guys are connected via work, or he could be a boss. Something related to work is here that I'm getting. Might be you guys are colleagues or connected with each other via work. Let me clarify the Three of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles and Eight of Pentacles and Four of Pentacles. My God, it's lots of Pentacles. It's all about money here, honey. Okay. You feel like working on your money, on your work, on your job, on your stability is most important thing right now on earth for you, Aries. This is what I'm getting here. I don't feel like you are ready to work on only on the emotional part of your life, because see, Three of Pentacles is clarified by the Six of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, lots of Pentacles. It's all about money for you right now. It's all about stability. This is a different deck, and this is Three of Pentacles. You feel like bringing a balance in your life with this particular person. You feel like working on this connection, but you're holding back. I don't know why the hell are you holding back. You feel like making this connection work out, bringing balance on this in this connection. Might be because of the financial situations. Both of you are not right now together, and that's why you want to first bring balance to your financial status. Then you feel like making efforts to make this connection work out with this particular situation or person, right? So it's a very specific reason. It's a very narrow reading that I'm getting here today. It's for somebody who's very specifically dealing with some kind of money issues, financial issues in their life, and they feel like dealing with the finances is most important right now. Okay, so yeah, you feel like bringing the balance to this connection is only possible if you are financially stable. This is what I'm getting here. This is a very specific reading that I got today. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you is. Ace of Cups, yeah. They feel they want a brand new beginning from your side. They are waiting for you. They just want you to open up to them, and it's like they want you to open up emotionally to them. It's like, might be you're very practical, and might be you're acting very mature, and you're like it's all about money, or it's all about practical things in your life. So this person wants you to open up emotionally, not just practically, or not just in a mature way. They want you to open up with them. They want you to restart this connection with love. Let me clarify the Ace of Cups. Okay. Okay. And by the way, I feel like you are strongly dealing with some kind of earthy energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn here. Seven of Cups and Three of Wands and the Nine of Cups. This person wants happiness with you. This person wants love from you. This person wants you to see. This person is waiting for you. You are their wish fulfillment, Aries. But this person is feeling like you are confused, or you are having more than one options in your life romantically, or you have lots of you have kept your options open, or whatever it is. But what I'm getting here is this person wants stability with you. This person wants love with you because you are their wish fulfillment. Now, right now, might be you are not talking to this person, or they are not talking to you because they are waiting for you very eagerly. See, this is the waiting card. This person is waiting for you very eagerly. uh okay, I feel like they have kept their options open too, but you are the one who is you know making the heart beat a little more. It's like they're waiting for your love. They're waiting for you to open up to them and say something to them. Okay, there's confusion, there's happiness, there's waiting. They're waiting for you to open up to them romantically, emotionally. Let's see what you want from this person or from this connection, you can say. It could be an idea of about something, about a connection that you should follow, you know. If you have certain pattern. I'm having bad cold, please pardon, I'm sorry. So what you want from this person? The High Priestess. I have to clarify this High Priestess. You want I feel like you are silent with this person, or they are silent with you. Very very awkward silence between you guys that I'm getting here. You want this person to open up, might be. Let me clarify. I hate cold weather. I just hate cold weather. Seriously, it sucks. The High Priestess. Okay. The Hangman and the Temperance and the Emperor. My God, this is something very very major. This is something very very huge here. This is you. The Emperor card is also here. So the High Priestess is clarified by the Hanged Man, the Temperance, and the Emperor card. So, uh, you want this person to wait. I don't know what you want them to wait for, but you want this person to wait and to be patient with you, and to try to listen to their intuition, and just try to see your perspective as well in a relationship. Okay, and you have taken a decision. You have taken a decision, and you have told this person already that this is what I want. This is how it should be. This is how it's going to be, and you have told them told them everything, and you just want this person to be patient with you. You just want this person to see your point of view as well, and try to understand things from your point of view as well right now. And this is something major, like this is something life changing for you and for them, for both of you. Or this person is being very very impatient right now, and they are just trying to poke you time to time, and you're like, please don't do that. Give me some time and give me some space. I will be
Hi, your
okay,
next
and
online
I
time is
will
in 10
be
minutes. Please come online.
I will be
Hi,
okay,
your
and
next online time is in 10 minutes. Please come
give me
online.
1 minute. Yeah. So you just want this person to be patient with you and be really very patient with you. This is what I'm getting here. Might be this person is not able to, keep their patience, and they are like poking you again and again, and you're like, relax. You want them to hold back for the time being. You want them to relax for the time being. You could be dealing with a Sagittarius here, or Aries, another Aries, it could be possible. But this is something really very important for you. This is something major, very important, life changing. Okay, let's see what to expect from this person till the 31st of January, or the end of January, you can say. Queen of Pentacles. Okay. I feel like this person, no matter what you say to them, or no matter what you want from this person, I feel like this person is coming towards you with lots of, with an offer of stability, with an offer of, let's have a family together or something, uh, major together, commitment. Let me clarify. Queen of Pentacles is like, I am getting heavy earth energy here, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn again. And this queen is ready to start the chapter with you, start the family with you, and be stable with you. But you, on the other hand, is focused on something else, Aries, and that's creating the conflict between you guys. You are focused more on your money, on your job, on your business right now, and that's making them frustrated, might be. Six of Swords and then Seven of Wands, the Hierophant. This person is not going anywhere. This person is not leaving you alone. Okay, for the time being, I feel like this person will walk away if if you are again and again telling them to go away. This person is going to be back soon, and they want this marriage thing with you, a sacred union with you. Again, I'm getting the energy of Taurus here. Why the hell is this the energy so prominent here? I don't know what the hell is happening. It's all about money for you. It's all about love for them. That is the problem. That is creating issues between you guys. Okay, I this reading, this particular reading is for something, or for a very small part of you. Small part of Aries, because this is something that something very very specific that came out. Okay, I'm not able to speak. Okay, bitch. Yeah. So they are coming to make things right with you. Okay. For some of you, I feel like this person will right now walk away, but they will come back after some time, because they will act a little defensive that, yeah, okay, if you don't want it, let me go. I'll just go, and then they will come back again. This is what I'm getting here. Weird. Okay, let me see what is the guidance for you, Aries. Tower. Okay. Something that is very very shocking for you. Might be you are going to finally break up with this person. Like what? I mean, okay. So for you, the guidance is that don't do anything in a rush. Don't do anything suddenly. Don't behave impulsively. Patience is required here for everything. To work out in your favor. So it's like patience is the key here. Okay, Aries, thank you so much for listening. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.